Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to solve book 5B revision 3A. Name, class and date. Page number 69. Number 1 is multiply or divide. In this section we have to multiply the sum or divide the sum. So number 1 is the question of multiplication. 0.73 multiplied by 10. As we can see in number 10 we have only one zero. So to divide the number with 10, 100 or 1000, we simply have to move the decimal point, this is a decimal point, to the right side. So here we have only one zero. So it means we have to move the point here. Like we have 0.73. And according to the number 10, only one zero, so we move the decimal point here and the answer is 7.3. Same as it is number B, we have 0.527. 0.527. Now we have 3 0, 1 2 3, so we are going to move the decimal point to the right side 3 times. 1 2 3. It means it becomes 527.0. 0 means nothing, so we are going to write only 527. Same as it is, we have to solve these two questions, but here we have to multiply the number. So the easiest method to multiply the number, first we are going to break the tens, 100 or 1000. So here we have 500. We break the 500 into 5 and 100. Now let's divide this 5.4 with 5. 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. 0, 2 here. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 2, 27. Now we have this 100. 27.0. Now we have to multiply this with 100. 20. It means we have to move the point 2 times. 1 2. So the answer is 2700. Same as it is, we have to solve this question. First we are going to break this 30 into 3 and 10. Then we multiply the number with 3. And then we move the decimal point. When we multiply this 3 with 8, we get the answer. 3 9s are 27. 3 zeros are 0. 0 plus 2, 2. 3 8s are 24. And the decimal point is after 24. Multiply by 10, it means we just have to move the point one time because only one zero. So the answer is 242.7. Now here we have the questions of division. In the division, we are going to move the decimal point to the left side. Like we have 1 2 3. So if there is not a decimal point in a number, it means the decimal point should be at the end here. So we are going to move this 3 times. 2 7 0. Here is the decimal point. 1 2 3. So the answer is 0.727. Same as it is, we move the decimal point 2 times. Here we have 0.18 divided by 6 and divided by 10. So first we are going to divide this with 6 and then with 10. Here we have 110 divided by 2 divided by 1000. Okay, now we have only one decimal point, so we are going to move this one time when we get the answer. Here we have 3 decimal point, so we have to move the point like 1 2 3. So the answer is 0.055. Now here we have to write the 10, 100 and 1000. So after calculating the decimal point, like in this question, we can see that the point is moving only one time to the right. It means that the number is 10. The point is moving 1, 2, 3 times, so it means it is 1000. The point is moving 3 times. Here the point 1, 2, 3, 1000. The point is moving only 2 times, so it is 100. Page number 70, question number 3. Convert each of the following measurements: 49 centimeter into meter. To convert centimeter into meter, we simply divide the number with 100. So when we divide this 49 with 100, we get the answer 0.49. Same as it is 1.82. Multiply by 100. So we can get the answer 182. Here we have to divide this 260 with 1000. 260 divided by 1000. So we can get the answer 0.26. The simple method is that we have to understand if the number is in simple number, we have to convert this into decimal point, and if the number is in decimal point, we have to convert this into simple numbers. To convert the simple number into decimal point, we always divide the number. To convert the decimal number into simple, we multiply the number. Here in centimeter and meter, we only use 100. In kilometer, kilogram, milliliter, we use 1000. Like we have 8580. So this is a simple number. We have to convert this into liter. It means we have to divide this with 1000. The number is 8580 divided by 1000, and we get the answer 8.58. Now here you can see 2079 2079 multiply with 1000, and we get the answer 2.079. Question number 4 is express each of the following as a percentage. So here the numbers are given in the decimal. If the number are in the point form like this, it means it is a decimal number. So to convert the decimal number into percentage, we simply multiply the number with 100, because we only use 100 in the division or multiplication for percentage questions. So here let's see the answers. We have 0.38 multiplied by 100, and we get the answer 38. Same as it is, we have to solve all the questions. Here we have number 5. Express each of the following as a fraction in its simplest form. So first we have to convert this into fraction. This is called the fraction form, in which we have numerator and denominator. Then we can find if the numbers are same multiple. So we are going to cut the numbers and write the simplest form. Like here we have 30 upon 100, 10 3s are 30, 10 10s are 100, 42 upon 100, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10, and 0. Same as it is, we have to solve the remaining. Question number 7 is Beena bought a book at discount of 25%. The original price of the book was $17. How much did Beena pay for the book? So here first we are going to write the 100% of the book is $17. This is the original price. What is the 1% of the book? So the 1% of the book is 17 divided by 100. because we only find the percentage with 100. So here we can simply move the decimal point 1 to 1 2. So the answer is 0.17. Now we have 0.17 and the remaining of 25% from 100 minus 25 is 75. So it means that Beena bought a book at discount 25. It means she paid only 75% of the book. So let's divide this 1% with the 75%. That what is the 75% of 0.17? 0.17 multiplied by 75. So the answer is 12.75. 12.75. It means she only pay $12.75 from $17 after 25% of discount. Question number 8 is a swimming school has 90 students. 40% of the students are male. How many females are there? So this is only in percent. So first we have to find the number of these students and then we can find the female students. So here is 100% minus 40%. 100% is the total number and 40% male student. So the remaining is 60%. It means that 60% girls and 40% male. Now what we have to do, we simply have to divide this 60% with 100 and multiply the 90 students. 60% of the female, 100 of the percentage and 90 total number. Now we can cut these numbers. 10 9s are 90, 10 10s are 100. So the remaining numbers are 60, 10 and 9. 69s are 540 divided by 10. So we can easily cut this 0. The remaining number is 54. It means from this 90, 54 are females and the remaining are male. Question number 9 is a delivery man is paid to deliver hampers. When he successfully delivers each hamper, he is paid $12.50. 9.45 is deducted from his pay for any hamper damage during delivery. In a week, he successfully delivered 30 hampers, but he damaged one hamper. How much was his pay that week? So what we have to do, first he delivered 30 hampers. So the amount of 30 hampers, 30 multiplied by 12.50, the amount she get at per hamper is, let's make the rough work, multiply by 30, 0 0 0 and 0, 3 0 0, 3 5 are 15, 1 here, 3 2 are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 3 1 are 3. So the answer is 375.00. It means he get $375 for 30 hampers. But from this 30 hampers, he damaged one hamper, and the deduction of one damage is $9.45. So it means from the total amount he get, we have to deduct the amount of one damage. 375 minus 9.45 is equals to, let's subtract 375 9.45. We cannot subtract 0 and 5, 0 and 4, so we are going to take the borrow. 7 becomes 6, 15 becomes 14, 10, 9 and 10. 10 minus 5, 5. 9 minus 4, 5. 14 minus 9, 5. 6 and 3. So the answer is 365.55. It means this is the amount he paid after the deduction from the 30th hamper. Question number 10 is the total mass of 2 similar durians, durian is the name of the fruit, and 5 similar peach is 3.95 kilogram. The mass of each durian is 1.7 gram, more than the mass of each peach. Find the mass of each durian. Give your answer in kilogram. So first, 2 similar durian with the mass 1.17 kg. 2 multiply 1.17 kg is equals to 2.34 kgs. Here you can see 2 sevens are 14, 1 here, 2 ones are 2 plus 1 3, 2 ones are 2. Now we have the total mass of 2 durians and 5 peach, 3.95, and the mass of 2 durians with 1.17 kg is 2.34. This is the amount. Now we have to subtract this. 3.95 minus 2.34. So the answer is 6.1. 1.61 kgs. Now we have to divide this 1.61 kg with the 7. 2 plus 5. 2 durians and 5 peach. So 2 plus 5 is 7. So we are going to divide this total amount with total mass with 7. Let's divide. 7, 1.61, 0.14, 2 and 1, 3, 21. So the answer is 0.23. 0.23 plus this amount 1.17. So the answer is 1.4 kg. Revision 3B, page number 73. Number 1 is answer each of the following. Beena jogged 600 meter in the morning. Write the distance in kilometer. We simply have to convert this morning time into meter into kilometer. So to convert the kilometer and meter, we have to divide the number with 1000. When we divide 600 with 1000, we get the answer 600 divided by 1000. So the answer is 0.6. Same as it is, we have the mass of fish is 1 kg, 643 gram. Write this mass in gram. It means we have to write this complete into gram. 1 kg means 1000 plus 643. When we add 1000 and 643, the answer is 1643. Number C is a bottle contains 1.8 liters of water. Write the volume in liter and milliliter. 1.85 liter. It means 1 liter 85 milliliter. Number 2, find the value of each of the following. What is the 10th percent of $25. To find the 10th percent of $25, we simply have to write 10% of 100 multiply by 25. 10 ones are 10, 10 tens are 100, 25 divided by 10. So we just have to move the decimal point from here to here. So the answer is 2.50. Now we have there are 40 pupils in a primary 5A. 60 of them are boys. How many boys are there? So what we have to do, we simply write 60% of 100 and multiply by 40 pupils. So we can simply cut them. 10 6 is 60, 10 10s are 100, 6 40 is equals to 40 and 6 0, 6 4s are 24, 240 divided by 10. So the answer is 24. Number C is a theater has 800 seats. 90% of the seats were occupied. How many seats are not occupied? Simple. 90% of the seats were occupied. It means we just have to take the remaining percent, which is 10. 90 minus 100. The remaining answer is 10. 10, 100 and 800 seats. 100 ones are 100, 100 8s are 800, 10 8s are 80. It means that only 80 seats were not occupied. Page number 74. The table below shows the number of trophies a school collected over 5 years. So here are the number of trophies and here are the total numbers. What was the total number of the trophies collected in 5 years? First we have to write all the numbers. 12 plus 13 plus 17 plus 19 plus 24. So the total number of these, when we add, the answer is 85. Number B is, what was the average number of trophies collected each year? To find the average, we have to multiply the total with the number 1 2 3 4 5. 85 divided by 5. So the answer is 5 ones are 5, 3 here, 5 7s are 35. Question number 4 is, tickets for a football match were sold at the price as shown. Adult $20, children $12. 1,100 tickets were sold altogether. 20% of the tickets sold were sold child tickets. How much was collected from the sale of the child tickets? So what we are going to do, we simply write 20, 100 multiply by the total numbers of tickets sold, 1100. Now we have to cut these. 100 ones are 100, 100 ones are 100, again 1 here, 100 ones are 100. 20 11s are 220. Now 220 multiply by $12, the number of children ticket price. So when we multiply 220 with $12, the answer is 2,640. It means the number of how much was collected from the sale of the child tickets. So they collected $2,640 from the child tickets. Number 5 is, the usual price of a concert ticket was $120. Women bought a concert ticket at a discount of 10%. How much did he pay for the ticket after the discount? So we have to find the remaining percent. If 10% is the discount, then it must be 90% remaining. 90% from the total 100%. The price of the concert ticket was $120. Now we have to cut these. 100 nines are 9, 10 nines are 90, 10 tens are 100. Now we have to multiply this 9 with 120. 9 multiplied by 120, 1080. 1080 divided by this 10. So the answer is 108. It means that how much did he pay for the ticket after the discount? He paid $108. Question number 6 is Ahmed's average expenditure in January and February was $75. His average expenditures each month from January to March was $81. How much did he spend in March? Here we have the 2 months expenditure, but here we have 3 months. So what we are going to do, we simply have to multiply 75 with 2, because this is of 2 months. So the answer is 2 5s are 10, 1 here, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1, 15. Then we have 81 from January to March. This is the amount of 3 months. 81 multiplied by 3. Each month 81, and in each month 75. 243. 3 ones are 3, 3 8s are 24. Now we have to subtract the amount from January to March with the amount of January to Feb. 243 minus 150. When we subtract 243 with 150, let's see. 3, 14 minus 5, 9, 1 minus 1, 0. It means that how much did he spend in March? He spent $93 in March. Question number 7 is Mrs. Lee parked her car at the Happy Mall car park from 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. How much was she charged for the parking? Here are the prices of the charges. Like from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. the charges is 1.20 per dollar. 6 p.m. to 6 a.m. $1 per hour or part 04. So first she parked the car from 5 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Let's see. From 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. From 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. means these two. She has to pay 1.20. $1.20 because the charge is per hour. Now from 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. $1 multiplied by 2 because it is 7 and 30 half. So it means it is $2. 0 0 and 2 ones are 2. Now we have to add this, the amount from 5 to 6 and the amount from 6 to 7:30. 1.20 and $2. Now we have to add both the numbers. When we add these two amount, 1.20 and $2, the total amount she paid is $3.20. Question number 8 is, during his holiday, Mrs. Lim rented a car he had to pay a booking fee of $25 and a car rental fee $33.50 per day. He paid a total $427 for a car rental. For how many days did Mr. Lem rent the car? To find the answer, first we are going to $427 with $25. He had a booking fee. So we have $427 minus $25. When we subtract 25 from 27, we get the answer $402. It means that this is the amount he paid for the car after the booking. Now, the amount of car rent per day is $33.50 per day. So the total amount he paid divided by the amount per day. When we divide 402 with 33.50, the answer is 12. It means that Mr. Lim rented the car for 12 days. Question number 9 is, a clerk was paid $80 per day to work on weekdays and $100 per day to work on weekends. Last week, she worked for 5 days and was paid $440. How many weekdays did she work? So first, 5 days, if we multiply 5 days with 80, 5 multiplied by 80, because she worked 5 days and that amount she get 80 for the normal working days. 5 multiplied by 80 is 5 zeros are 0, 5 eights are 40. It means $400. Now we have to subtract this from the total amount she get, which is 440. 440 minus $400, so the answer is $40. $40 divided by 22. She worked 3 weekdays and 2 weekends. She worked 3 weekdays. If we calculate, she worked 3 weekdays. 3 weekdays means 80 multiplied by 3, 240. She worked 3 weekdays and 2 weekends. 3 weekdays means 3 multiplied by 80, 240. And 2 weekend means 2 multiplied by 100, 200. When we add 240 and 200, the answer is 440. Question number 10, the last question of revision. The table shows the admission price for one person at a skating rink. Every additional half hour or part, $3. First 2 hours, $21. Farhan went skating. He paid $33 for the admission. What was the most number of hours he was at the skating rink? So let's see. Total amount he paid is $33. The amount for 2 hours is $21. 33 minus 21 is $12. It means that he paid $12 extra. From this extra dollar, how much he can stay? 12 divided by $3, because he have $3 half for half an hour or for more than half. It means 3 4s are 12. Now we have 2 hours plus these 2 hours, 4 multiplied by half hour. So 4 and half we can multiply from this. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. The remaining numbers are 2 hours plus 2 1s are 2, 2 hours. So it means 2 plus 2 is 4 hours. Farhan can spend total 4 hours in the skating rink. So this is the last question of your revision.